gentlemen, boys and girls, it is I, the Great Bear Father, and today it is 3 a.m. the Devil's Hour. We are going to be summoning Jeff the Killer at 3 a.m. Before we start, make sure to like, comment, smash subscribe button. Shout out to my subscriber that wanted to summon Jeff the Killer. I told him don't do it because it's very dangerous and stuff. So, here's parts of the reasons. One is that if you summon Jeff the Killer, you need to be very, very prepared, and you need to be a trained professional to deal with Jeff the Killer, because if you're not, if you just want to summon him just to say hi, he will be a creeper, and he will creep up on you, and if the challenge doesn't work for you, stay up, no matter what, because you may think that it won't work, but in reality, it did work and stuff, and if you go to sleep, and if you hear this phrase, or go to sleep loud, a very loud words, Jeff the Killer is above your bed. Here are a few tips if you do summon Jeff the Killer and you need to avoid him at any cost. 1, lock your bed, lock your door, lock your closet, barricade your closet, barricade your door until it hits 4 a.m. or until the morning. 2, have plenty of soda and snacks with you just in case you're hungry in the middle of the night. Now, while you're doing this, you may hear knocking, you may hear banging, saying, let me in. Or you may get a phone call, Jeff the Killer's number, and that's about it. Anyways, we are going to be summoning Jeff the Killer, playing Roblox Survivor Jeff the Killer game. It is a Roblox game and stuff, and if anyone wants to follow me on Roblox, I will tell you how to follow me on Roblox. Download Roblox if you don't have Roblox. Enter my Roblox name once you see it, and rumor has it that if you play a Roblox Jeff the Killer game, Jeff the Killer is supposed to appear, and supposed to come, and he will knock on your door, and while you're playing this game, we may see glitching. Let me know down in the comments below if you saw glitching. And after we play the game, rumor has it, he will give you a phone call. Considering that we summoned Jane, Nina, doing the games, why not Jeff the Killer? I mean, really. Anyways, I'm not talking. Here we go. Okay. So, for this challenge to work, you have to wait until everyone's asleep. You gotta wait until it's 3 a.m. So set your alarm clock for 2:50 or 2:30. And sleep early, wake up late, and survive until 4 a.m. because that's when the Devil's Hour paranormal activity ends. Anyways, oh man, I forgot how Jeff the Killer's that fucking damn creepy. Oh, if we see that red light, we have to get away. Oh yeah, I see fucking glitching. Oh my god, Jeff's over there. Ah. Ooh. Go to sleep, my friends. Go to sleep. This is between me and Jeff the Killer. I'm wearing a red shirt. Which I'm probably going to be toast anyways by Jeff the Killer. Let's go say hi to him. You all think I'm insane? I am insane. For a second I thought I heard something. Oh, Jeff, that's no fair. I was going to see... Oh, wait, he's still over there. Never mind. I think he's waiting for me. Jeffrey... I got a picnic basket. You and I can... Oh my god. Wait, he's under? Who is he under? I'm scared. Is he over there? Is he... Where is he? Is he good? What are you doing? What are you all doing? Don't bring him up here. Are you all nuts? We're gonna die if you do that. Oh my god. Now I'm gonna die. Oh no, please, 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 don't do this to me. Don't do it to me. Oh. Yes, the only way to survive is just be a bloody coward. What are you all doing? Jeff. Jeffrey. Jeff. Ow, I got scratched in the leg. Oh, Jeff, why'd you do that to me? Oh my god! Ow! That hurt! Jeff! Jeff, you think I'm poop? Na 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 na. What are you doing? You're gonna die! Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Run back upstairs. He's climbing to the top. Na 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 na. What are you doing? Are you insane? Are you insane? Addicts. Dun 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 dun. Yeah-doo-doo. Oh, he's climbing up to the top of the world. No, 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 no. Stop. Oh, this is the fun at 3 AM John never heard in my life. Even though I'm gonna meet Jeff the Killer soon. And rumor has it that if you're playing this game at 3 AM just to summon Jeff the Killer, we may hear his voice. So, or footsteps. So, be prepared for anything. Oh, that scared the fuck out of me. Oh, he's over there. Alright, bye, Angel. Whatever you do, don't go to sleep. Have sweet dreams. Bye. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Jeffrey! Get over this! Son of a bitch! No killing! He vanished. No! He vanished. Usually he would appear over there. Yes. 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 Ooh. Geronimo! Yeah. Oh, if I could still climb up, I'd be happy. What are you doing, kitty? What are you doing? You're not a cat. Why would you call yourself the cat? Jeff, it's your girlfriend. Me, I'm your girlfriend. He can't see me. He cannot see. He can't see. What? Still got a crush on Jeff the Killer. I think all girls have a crush on Jeff the Killer, besides Jane the Killer. Jane the Killer, I'm sorry if you have competition. I'll back off. I'll back off. Don't worry. Don't worry. Maybe I'll help Jane the Killer, have Jeff the Killer be his boyfriend. Run! Run! Don't kill me. Don't kill me, please. Don't kill me, please. I don't want to die. Go on, all of you die. All of you must die. Oh my god. Oh shit. He's looking at me. I'm his next target. Oh, that's fucking wonderful. Oh, I can't be his target. I'll never be his next target. Of course I would. Jeff, over here. Oh! Hi, Jeff. How you doing? You doing good? Yeah, I will touch that knife. I'll do it. Ow! Ow, that stung. Ooh. Ooh! I taste the blood of your enemies, and I even taste my blood. Ooh. Listen, I'm not gonna be your victim and stuff. Okay. Alright. Okay. This is one of my first Roblox games that I ever played. Oh no, he's after me. He's after me. How was your Valentine's Day, Jeff? How was your Valentine's Day? Was it good? Was it good? Was it great? Was it wonderful? He's like, I was stalking and killing people that were in love. I'm like, I totally understand you, Jeff. I understand how you feel. Every time I get a boyfriend, I get to get breaks up and people cheating. And apparently, cheaters, players. I just want someone honorable. Someone who doesn't want to go eat pansies. Someone that wants to be, like, honorable, truth, and compassion. and help you with goals and stuff. Or see what you can do in the future. And he is right there. So, Jeff, how you doing? He's coming! He's coming! You, please, please. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Oh my god! What is he doing? What is he doing? Yeah, leave me alone. Leave me alone. Oh my god! That scared the fuck out of me. Oh, ooh, ooh. Oh, I think he wants to take me out on a date. That's why he's going up and down. I'm right here. I'm right here, Jeff. Someone who is fearless. Someone who is awesome. Someone who is crazy like me. And someone who loves anime like I do. And someone who is strong and not a chicken to face their fears. No. Although I think I would help. But yeah. What the fuck is he doing? Jeff! No, bad idea. Jeff? I want to see what the hell he's doing. Jeffrey! Is he gonna go? Oh my god! Is this my hypothesis? Oh! Watch this, guys. He's literally going, like, down where I'll go. Go to sleep. Did any of you guys just hear that? I heard Jeff the Killer's voice. Jeff, what are you doing? Your ass down right now. Quit being a head hogger. Quit hogging the roof. Quit hogging the ceiling. I heard knocking. Oh my god. Run! What is that insane? Holy shit. I think he wants to spend some quality time with me. Or something. We heard fucking knocking. What the hell? I locked my door. There's no way he's coming in here. There's no way. No way. If you guys can't deal with the real Jeff the Killer, even if you summon him anyways, lock your door, barricade your closet, have snacks, food, do not open the door, no matter what, and have a bucket, just in case you have to go to the bathroom, because he will literally stalk and be right outside your bedroom door, right outside, right in the closet, and you cannot leave your bedroom or escape, even if it's barricaded. Well, actually, you could escape while it's still, if the closet is barricaded. But do not open the closet or the door, no matter what happens. No matter what sounds you hear, don't do it. Because it's not worth summoning Jeff the Killer at the cost of your own life. That is for trained professionals only. Jeff? Oh my god, Jeff is staring into my eyes. I'm staring into his soul. I'm staring into Jeff's soul. Do you all dare me? I'm going over there. I'm going. I died, didn't I? we were staring at each other's souls. We were having a moment. Listen, I don't care if people want to kill Jeff the Killer. Jeff the Killer is one of the most awesomest people ever, and no one should deserve to die. No matter what they did. People always deserve a second chance. And I know for a fact Jeff deserves a chance. What are you doing, you idiot? Okay.
Go to sleep.
Alright. Did anyone just hear that? I heard Jeff the Killer's real actual voice saying go to sleep. That was creepy. I heard knocking again. Subscribers, I'm going to open the door and see what's happening outside. I want to see, because there's been glitching on the video. Still. And I'll see if I can friend request this boy. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. I'll be back, subscribers. I'll be back. I'm gonna open the door and see what's out there. Wish me good luck. Okay, my subscribers, I'm gonna open the door and see what the hell's outside. Comment below if you see anything out of the ordinary. Here we go. What the fuck? Go to sleep? No. Jeff the Killer's out there. He's out there. I know he's out there. I'm locking the door. No. You're not coming in, Jeff. Suck it. Deal with it. No, you're not coming in. Jesus Christ, I'm clawing at the goddamn of his knife. Oh gosh. Quit knocking, you're not coming in. I got a phone call. Jeff? Oh my god. Oh god, no. Fuck it. I'm gonna answer. I'm insane. I'm gonna answer. I'm gonna pick up his phone. BRB. Hello? Jeff the Killer?
I'll be there shortly. You there? You're cute. I'll take my time with you. Just go to sleep.
That was the fastest phone call I've ever had in my life, subscribers. That was insane. I'm literally gonna wait until it's 4 a.m. I don't care if he keeps knocking. Jeff, you're not coming in here.
To sleep.
I'm not going to sleep. Until you're gone. Suck it. I'm gonna wait until it's 4 a.m. I'll let you all know when it's 4 a.m. I'll let you all know when it's hit 4 a.m. Guys, I'm scared to open this door, and I'm not opening this door no matter what. See you all at 4. 4 a.m. at last. Oh my god, that was unreal. Whew. Alright, subscribers. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please like, comment, smash the subscribe button. I'm gonna open that door. I'm gonna see if that note that Jeff the Killer left us is still there, or if it's not. I really am crossing my fingers right now, guys, and hoping it's gone. I'm really hoping that note's gone. Because I have a sensation and a feeling that red ink that we saw on the paper is blood. I have a sensation. I have a feeling. Because it's Jeff the Killer and stuff. He doesn't have any ink or markers and stuff. The only thing he uses for red ink to go on paper is blood. Let's actually open the door. Let's do this. Okay. Here we go. It's still there. No way. I'm taking the paper. Yes, I'm insane. Unreal. Unreal. Guys, look at this. This thing still looks damp. One part's not. Oh, it's blood as well. Jesus. I think all the creepypastas need to find better things to write stuff down other than using the victim's blood for ink and stuff. Whew. Reminds me of summoning the bloody painter. Ugh. Alright, my subscribers. That's creepy. I'm gonna throw this paper out. Guys, I hope y'all enjoyed. If you did, please like, comment, smash subscribe button. Shout out to my subscriber who wanted me to do this. Please go follow his YouTube channel. Link in the description below. The comment is at the end of the video. And as always, bye guys. Whew, I'm gonna take a shower and go to bed. Night, everyone.